Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning a very simple DIY lip scrub. Since we're all staying home, this is the perfect time for us to learn how to take care of our skin, and today we'll be doing that for our lips. We don't have any excuse not to learn something new. This lip scrub can be done with just 2 ingredients, maybe 3. The third one is optional. If you have it, fine. If you don't have it, it's okay. So if you're ready, let's get started. So I don't want to take much of your time, so we'll just go straight into the video. First is sugar, and you need to get a smaller grain so you don't hurt yourself when you scrub. And next you need honey and coconut oil. Coconut oil is optional, but I love coconut oil. I love its benefits, so I put it in all my scrubs. So let's go ahead and mix our scrub. So your sugar and your honey, there are no measurements for this. You just need to mix it up until it's smooth enough for you to apply on your lips. And I put some of the essential benefits of all the ingredients I used in my description box, so you guys want to check that out. Next, you just add a teaspoon of coconut oil. You can add more if you want, and you just mix it up. If the mixture becomes too thick, then you can add more honey or coconut oil, whichever one you prefer. And if the mixture becomes too light, you can add more sugar. And hooray, we have our DIY scrub all ready to use. I'll just keep half of this in the container and put in the fridge. I'll use later on. The mixture is too much, I don't want to waste it. I told you it wasn't difficult, so now you have your own DIY lip scrub at home. So I'll just go straight and show you just a little bit of how I apply the lip scrub. First of all, you need to exfoliate your lips, so I do that with an old brush. Well, this is the brush I usually use. You just move it in a circular motion, not too hard, and then you just go ahead and apply your lip scrub, and you also move it in a circular motion. Don't worry, I was being nosy. You just move it in a circular motion, and just like that, you are done. I like to just scrub over my lips a little because I do have this little pimples. So when you're done, you just clean it with a wet cloth, and your lips are as new as when mama gave it to you. So let me know in the comment section if you try this DIY lip scrub at home, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if the video was helping in a way, and please share, okay? And I appreciate you. Like, I see you, all of you subscribe to my channel, helping me, promoting me on all your social media. I see you, I appreciate you, I love you. Welcome back to my channel. Why did I keep forgetting to put my name in here, that red subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh god, Yvonne. Okay, let's start.